Welcome to the secret world of Athelhampton House and Gardens. I'm going to review the magnificent vintage 8mm application for iPhone by taking you on a stroll through the gardens at Athelhampton. Here is the magical octagonal pool, a suitable venue for a Shakespearean performance, one thinks. The fountain in the middle there is of course splashing on the most gorgeous water lilies, which will soon be blooming. Here is the canal pond, very Romanesque if you ask me, an ideal place to stroll with one's parasol. Panning round from the canal pond, one comes to a beautiful avenue frequented by guests at weddings. Athelhampton is very famous for its weddings. You can imagine how beautiful the bride and groom and the wedding party look as they promenade along this avenue of limes, I believe. There are many fountains at Athelhampton, and today the Lion's Head fountain was looking particularly good. This is the Corona, one of my favourite places in the garden, named a Corona as it looks like a crown. Playfully sculpted to look like the fountain is on its side there. I do like that. I think that's very, very clever indeed. Then we glimpse up to the most famous of Athelhampton's gardens, the Great Court, with its pyramid-shaped yew trees. Let's go and have a look, shall we? These trees were originally planted to be corners of a rose garden, but they've grown over the years to dominate the garden. We'll come back there in a minute. Here are the guardians of the secret garden. So the secret garden peeks out to see the canal pond there. Here is the second guardian. Then I believe our deft cameraman will pan round to show you the secret garden overlooked by the splendid heights. Back to the Corona, and I believe this time the cameraman will indeed take us into the Great Court, where we will be able to enjoy these magnificent pyramid-shaped yew trees. Now, as I say, this was all filmed in the iPhone application 8mm, which gets 11 out of 11 for instant gratification, 11 out of 11 for L.I.V.E. I absolutely love it. 11 out of 11 for ease of use, and 11 out of 11 for value for money. It's stunning. So I hope you enjoyed our little show, and beyond that I hope you'll visit Athelhampton House and Gardens near Dorchester in Dorset in the United Kingdom.